Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to use paste food colouring in Colour Me to create your unique colour. Use a paring knife to open the Colour Me wallet as the glue is quite strong. Remove the contents of the wallet and you will find that you have the Colour Me gel in the pouch, an instruction sheet, as well as a card with a piping bag on it. Remove the piping bag from the card. If you wish to use a nozzle, there is a template on one side where to cut the piping bag, and on the other side are the instructions on how to get the gel out of the pouch, as well as how to fold the card to use it as a scraper. You will find the instruction sheet on how to mix the colour, as well as the Colour Me gel. Push the gel out of the corner, cut the edge with a pair of scissors and squeeze some of the gel into the bowl. Now add your paste colour to the gel and with a teaspoon mix it into the gel to create your own unique metallic colour. I'm using a black, but when I make our metallic black for Deco Magic, I always use powder colour, as the powder colour gives a much stronger result. Today we're just making a metallic grey. Mix with your teaspoon, squishing on the sides of the bowl to really get the colour to blend in with the gel. I'm now going to test the gel by writing with it using a 000 piping tube. I'm going to write on an icing sheet a simple inscription to make sure that the gel is firm and it does not have any colour bleed onto the icing sheet. Thank you for watching my video today.